Ever wondered why we have seasons, or why the length of our days subtly shifts throughout the year? It's a cosmic puzzle, and the biggest clue is that Earth's orbit isn't a perfect circle. In fact, if our path around the sun was perfectly round, life as we know it would be completely different. So, let's uncover the surprising truth behind Earth's elliptical journey and how it shapes our world. For centuries, we imagined the heavens as a place of perfect spheres and circles. It's an elegant thought, right? But it's wrong. The real story is far more interesting, and it all comes down to an invisible force pulling everything together. Think of it like this. Imagine swinging a ball on a string. That string is like the sun's gravity, constantly pulling on the Earth. Sir Isaac Newton figured this out with his law of universal gravitation. Earth has immense forward momentum from its formation, trying to fly off into space. But the sun's gravity keeps pulling it back, forcing it into a continuous fall around the sun. This cosmic tug-of-war between momentum and gravity is what creates our orbit. But it wasn't until Johannes Kepler came along that we got the full picture. He discovered that planets don't orbit in circles, but in ellipses, with the sun at one of two special points called foci. This is Kepler's first law of planetary motion. It means our distance from the sun actually changes throughout the year. This brings us to perihelion, our closest point to the sun, and aphelion, our farthest point. Now, you might think being closer to the sun makes it summer, right? That's a common myth. The real reason for our seasons is the 23.5-degree tilt of Earth's axis. Our changing distance has only a tiny effect on the overall temperature. But the story doesn't end there. Our orbit isn't static. It slowly changes over thousands of years in cycles known as Milankovitch cycles. The shape of our orbit, its eccentricity, stretches and shrinks over vast timescales, influencing long-term climate patterns like ice ages. So, the next time you look up at the sky, remember that we're not just spinning in a simple circle. We're part of a complex and beautiful cosmic ballet, a delicate dance shaped by gravity, momentum, and time. It's this imperfect elliptical path that makes our planet so dynamic and unique.